Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here I come with my reading for 2022 for 9 number people. 9, 18, 27 of any month. I'm talking about the birth date, not the whole calculation. Go only with your birth date. Okay, so let's see what we have for 9 number people. 9 number people. Now I'm going to read from Jan to June and June to December. Okay, so let's see what we have for Jan to June. We have a lot of first 6 months for 9 number people. It's going to come with a lot of little, I will say, you'll feel low, you'll feel depressed. Maybe there are certain things that you don't know, you have no clarity. Okay, take care of mental health, 9 number people. Somewhere too much of ego, too much of control will not work in the first 6 months. You need to let go of controls, you have to let go of your ego. Okay, you have to come out of your fears. Somewhere circumstances are not in your favor right now. Right now means I'm talking about 2022 first 6 months. However, after the 3 months of your, that is Jan, Feb and March, after March there is going to be a shift in energy. Okay, where you will at work start doing suddenly well. You will also go towards spirituality. You will also be connected to people who are in government jobs, doctor, engineer kind of a thing. You will also be associated with some kind of spiritual group, spiritual person, maybe a guru. There will be some kind of enlightenment happening for you in the after March. Okay, from March to June I'm talking about. There is a lot of energy of abundance also coming. Money is coming. You will get choices to move further. Like if you are into a job where you're not happy, so you are going to get another job, or maybe some business you're doing is not working, you will move on and go to that. There is a lot of energy where the guru will favor you. Maybe some kind of advice if you take from somebody elder to you, that will be good. There will be a lot of inner check. You will also go into yourself and check yourself. You need to take some guidance at work. This is very important, so please consult some elder person or somebody who's good in this field, whatever work you do. Okay, confusion is there, but because of your own confusion you're going to feel stuck. Otherwise things are moving, things are happening, but somewhere you will feel stuck because of your confusion. Maybe you're thinking too much. Okay, so think less. Now you've seen this reading, think less, just go with the flow, take advice, go further, because I don't see that work will be stuck. Work is not stuck. Your own energy is stuck. Your own fears and your own part of your nature, overthinking, that is blocking your work. So you need to take advice from someone. Okay, back of the deck is victory, so you are going to achieve what you want, right? So first half is all about yourself. It's all about you, number 9. Okay, now let's see from June to December. From June to December, I feel that there is moment at work, there is beginning. See, again, it's all about you, number 9. The blocks are coming from you. Why? I'll tell you, because you are still holding on to the hurt of the past. You're still not looking in the positive side of life because you're feeling depressed and low. See, I can understand that anxiety, depression will come to you as we are now going through eclipse. We've gone through eclipse also in 2021, and that effect stays for next 6 months. But in December we've had a eclipse, and after that changes that happen is for next 6 months it affects. So I feel that you need to consciously change your perspective. Changing your perspective from June to December regarding your work, business, whatever you do, will help a lot. Okay, and a lot of opportunities coming, difficulties are being overcome, new beginning, everything. You're aggressively going into work, but at the same time do not be so aggressive and egoistic that you will have fights, arguments, and some things which might happen in a positive manner will turn into negative situations, because these negative situation involves a lot of evil eye and black magic. So do not get, because of your argument, the opposite party might try to harm you in some way. So for protection, please in advance keep a Zebu symbol of release under your pillow, or keep a selenite under your pillow. That will be better. Okay, as you've seen this reading now. Being aggressive will not work. Being nice will work. So number 9 tend to get a little aggressive. They need to calm down and not get into any kind of conflicts in the next 6 months, especially during August and October. August and October, there could be a problem in relationship at work, and this will backfire very badly. Like somebody might just do some negative thing on you. So you have to be careful. Okay, as you've seen this reading now, you have to be careful. Okay, so this is the yearly reading. Partnerships also will do well if number 9 normally don't get into partnership, but if you are seeking a partnership, if you're wanting to go into, it is a good time. Okay, so let me see what we have for relationship for number 9 people. Okay, number 9, relationship. Relationship wise, I feel that you still have to heal from your past, number 9 people. You haven't healed from the past. And in 2022, you're going to confront yourself. You're going to confront yourself. Maybe you'll take some kind of inner child healing, or you should take some kind of inner child healing. You will take a back step from relationship. You will think, you will contemplate, you will try to heal yourself. You might join some yoga or some spiritual thing to heal yourself. You will put efforts towards yourself. I feel you're going to rebuild yourself more than your relationship. You'll be still confused as to whether take a step in a relationship or no. No, you're not still taking it. No. In 2022, 9 number people, I don't think you're still taking a step towards a relationship. But definitely, I can see you're taking a step towards yourself. 100% you will be sharing, caring, love, everything with your family, friends, everywhere. But towards your love relationship, I don't think you're still taking a step. You will take a year more. Maybe we will see in 2023 how it goes for you. But not right now. Not right now. Because right now you just want to heal yourself. You've been very hurt with a committed relationship in the past. Few might, I'm saying just out of 100, 5% or 4% maybe, or maybe 1%, people might think of marriage, an arranged marriage. 1%, not even 5, 1% of 9 numbers might think of arranged marriage, which might happen. That also very little chances, I will say. Out of 100, 30% chances and 70% no chance. No, it won't happen. But yes, 1% you all might think of arranged marriages. But 9 number people, I feel you are just healing in 2022. Just healing from past and healing and being in yourself, taking care of yourself, your family, people around you, and so on. So yeah, you're embracing the light. So you're embracing the spiritual part. You're embracing the divine power. You're embracing spirituality. You're embracing chanting, meditation, or maybe joining some kind of spiritual group. You're into that in 2022. Relationship will not mean much to you. Like I said, only 1% of people will go for maybe arranged marriage. Rest all are going to just sit and do their inner check or inner child healing or something like that. Okay, so that was good reading, and more videos to come. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Call me for paid appointments only. Email me for paid appointments only. And share it with your family friends. Thanks. That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye. Bye.